Up, dummies, we're about to react to what black holes look like at different distances. So this is gonna basically show us what it would look like if we had a black hole in the middle of a city, bro. This is gonna be insane. I've always been so like intrigued with black holes and space and stuff. So let's see what it would look like if we looked outside and we saw a black hole, bro. In space, something terrifying drifts. Oh god, I'm about to get scared. Luckily, all black holes are very far away from us. That's good. That's good. But what if that wasn't the case? They're gonna show us what it would look like if we had a black hole. What if a black hole appeared somewhere in our solar system? Or even near Earth itself? What if we got sucked up by a black hole? What would we see in the sky? Okay, so this is what it would look like if it was 400 kilometers away. It's only 20 kilometers, but it's the size of the city. This would be the view from the International Space Station. Whoa, that's what it would actually look like? Yo. Okay, I think as this video goes on, it's gonna get closer and closer, but this is what it would look like. You see how it's like distorted? It would be like sucking up the world. Wow, dude, black holes are so fascinating because it's just like a vacuum. Like it just sucks everything up. Where does it go? Where does the hole lead to? Even this small black hole can bend light and distort space around it. So these black holes are gonna get bigger and bigger as the video goes on. This would be the view from New York City. The stars would appear distorted. They would move slightly as the black hole passes. Wow, that's what it would look like. Ooh, here's the next one. This is one of the most well-known black holes. It's called the Cygnus X1. It's 20 times the mass of the sun. This is view from the surface of the black hole. Okay. Oh, this is from the surface of the Earth, I guess. It would look like the moon. So that's what it would look like. Oh my gosh. Imagine you saw that in the sky. Like you wake up, you go outside and you just see that. What the heck, bro? That is creepy. This is what it would look like from if you were on the moon. So you would see the Earth right there. And then where's the black hole? Okay, I don't see the black hole. From here, the distortion becomes noticeable. I don't even see it. Let me know if I'm tweaking, guys. I'm not seeing it. Oh, it's right there. Okay, he zoomed in. Who recorded this? Who was on the moon that recorded this? That's insane. Oh, so it's right there. And that's what it would look like. It would have a distorted... Wow, black holes are actually creepy, bro. Okay, here's the next one. This is a 300,000 kilometer black hole that's very close to the moon. So these are actually real black holes that are actually in our thing. This is what it would look like in the atmosphere. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
I am 59 years old, and I love myself louder than just about anybody. That doesn't mean...
Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. This is what it would look like. So this is the moon right here. This is what it would look like. And it would have all of this stuff. It would be distorting space. This looks like a creepy like dragon eye or something, dude. That is creepy. So that's the moon right there. I don't know who's recording this, but dang, bro, they're crazy. Look at that. Okay, so this is, oh, now imagine replacing the sun with a Sagittarius A. What? Oh my gosh, so this is another black hole, one of the biggest ones so far. It would cover the whole sun? That's the size of Mercury. Wow, this is what it would look like from Earth. That's literally Earth right there. And this is what, oh my gosh, from Earth, this is what the sky would look like. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Imagine that's what you saw when you walked outside. This would be an incredible sight, it says. Yeah, dude. It's superheated gas. I would love to see that. Now, I know it would probably like kill us all, but like, dude, it would be so awesome to see that. To go outside and see that. Oh my gosh. Yo. That is awesome looking. These are just gonna get crazier and crazier as the video goes on. This would be what it looks like from Mercury. If we were on Mercury, oh my. Yo, that's actually so beautiful. That is so marvelous. That like is giving me the chills. To imagine walking outside and seeing something like that would literally give me the chills, bro. Oh my goodness. This is what it would look like from Pluto if you were on Pluto. Wow. Look at that. Hopefully he zooms in. Zoom in. Do the little zoom in, bro. I know you can. I know you got it. Yeah. Ah, that's dope. All right, here's the next one. This is the Crab Pulsar. Okay, it's very close to becoming a black hole, it says. Look at that. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. It's distorting the Earth. What the what? Okay, so this is what it would look like if we were at the upper atmosphere of Earth. Even though it's not a black hole, it still bends the space around it. Yeah, so this is a pulsar star. That's what it would look like. I think he's going to show what it's going to look like from Earth itself. But dude, imagine you saw that in the sky. A blue pulsar. Yeah, look. This is what it would look like from New York City. You would just see that in the air. It'd be pulsing constantly. Dude, we would not know what that was, bro. There'd be so many YouTube videos, so many viral clips on that. This is Neptune's orbit. This is one of the most black holes ever. Oh, this is the next one. M87. The diameter of it is 40 billion kilometers and 2,000 AU. Imagine placing this at the edge of our solar system. Okay, where is it? This is the view from Earth if we had the M87. Oh my God. Yo! M87 is huge. Look at that like long thing right there. That's got to be so long and thick. Jesus Christ. Wow. Imagine walking outside and you see that thick beam of light. That's so long. Still dominates the entire view. It goes all the way up. Dude, that is so big. That is huge, bro. That would be beautiful to walk outside and see that and just be like, wow. Okay, here's the next one. Ton 618. If it was located 4.2 light years away, it's hard to compare it to anything. Let's see. Oh. This is what it would look like. Wow, that's 4.2 light years away. Even across light years, its presence can still be felt. That's facts. Jesus Christ. That's like a sun, but it's so much creepier than the sun. The ring that you see is light, but it's distorted by the black hole strong. Oh, look at that. Wow. Now that's actually crazy. That's actually beautiful. I like how that looks. This is what it would look like from the moon if it was 20 light years away from the moon. Even if it's 20 light years away, it still looks huge, he says. And that's actually true. Whoa. Do you see that, bro? Oh my God, what is this? If Ton 618 was on the edge of the cloud. Whoa. Imagine waking up, going outside for some fresh sunlight. Boom! Oh my gosh, I'm so surprised that there's never been black holes on Earth. I want to see one. I don't care what happens to us. I want to see a black hole in real life, bro. I got to. That's beautiful, dude.